Assalamu alaikum. I am Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. How are you all? I hope you're all having a great Ramadan because we're having a great Ramadan here too. And I hope this coronavirus can go away in this blessing month, inshallah. And thank you all for the support that you put towards Fatim Ali's Kitchen. I appreciate you all for it. If you're a new subscriber or old subscriber, or even if you're new to our channel and you haven't subscribed yet. Okay, so today we're going to be cooking mutton grill in a pan. We're going to grill this mutton here in a pan. As you can see, the mutton has been nicely cleaned and I only put vinegar and salt. I marinate this mutton in and then I left it in the fridge for half an hour. And it's all here ready to be cooked. Okay, so in this mutton grill in a pan, we will be adding these ingredients to it as we go along. So in the meantime, let's get to our pan while it's nicely hot and then start grilling and our mutton in it. Okay, follow me guys. So guys, as you can see in the pot here in the pan, we've only added a very tiny amount of oil. We didn't put too much because it's not easy in Ramadan having too much of oil. It gives indigestion to some people. And we're going to go on and put our mutton in. And then we are going to give it a stir. So we're going to stir the mutton until everything is nicely coated. Then we are going to put a lid on and we're going to slowly cook this mutton in here until it is nicely cooked. Okay, but we're going to time it and then we will let you know how long that took us. Okay, so in the meantime we're going to leave it like this and let it cook in there. All right, so guys, while our meat is grilling in the pan, we're going to go on and prepare our onion and our peppers for the grill, and then we're going to make it in big circles because we don't want the onion to all disappear in the cooking. I'm going to go in here and just try and take them in out of inside each other as much as I can, just like that. Guys, this is a very nice dish and it's not hard to make. We will be having it with salad later on today. Okay, so now I'm going to do the peppers exactly halfway round as well. I'm gonna set that there for a minute and I'm gonna be putting some mustard in the onion, about 3 teaspoons, and then I'm going to, alright, so we just mix all these gently. Okay, and then I'm going to put the peppers on it like that, and I'm going to set that aside. So now I'll roughly chop the garlic. and go on it and just tinily slice it like that. Okay, so I'm going to go on and add this onto the meat right now. Right. Okay. The garlic goes onto it. And we check how it is cooking. Still cooking. It's been 5 minutes, but it's not ready yet. It's still cooking. So we give it another stir. Make sure everything saute well. And then we put the lid back on and leave it all to cook together. Okay guys, let's check our grill. Our grill has cooked nicely in here. Can you see guys, all the water has dried. Can you see? And it's very nicely cooked. It took us about 50 minutes to get to this stage. So at this point I'm going to add the salt and the pepper, and then I'm going to add 1 hunger prawns. And then I'm going to give all this a stir. Make sure it's all stirred well. Okay. So now I'm going to add the onions. And then I'm going to stir all of that too. Okay. Right. Get them small. And then I will add the peppers on the top. So I'll leave this to cook for 2 minutes by putting the lid back on, and we'll show you how it gets after that. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes already guys. Let's stir our meat. See, we are not going to add any water to this. This is exactly how we're going to cook it. Okay guys, can you see? And the onion is nicely cooked. So we're going to go on and turn the gas off. We don't want this to cook any further. It's perfectly fine. Alright. It is smelling already. You know what they said about being fasting and smelling every food. This is smelling already. It seems like I want to have it now. Anyways, so I'm going to turn off the gas. Turn the heat all the way off. And then I'm going to leave it there for few minutes while we make our salad to prepare and get ready to nearly break our fast. Okay. So guys, we're done with our salad preparation. Look at all them colors popping up there. They're calling for summer. We can't wait to try them. They're looking so good. And this is it. We are now plating up our iftar meal, and everything has turned out to cook perfectly well. We can't wait to try it. It looks so good, so amazing, smells great, and then we're going to enjoy ourselves. You're all invited, like we always say. Always plate it in a big plate because we eat as a family. And yeah, so that's all that we've got for you, and I can't wait to have it. Looking so amazingly well. So guys, that's all that we've got for you today in Fatim Ali's kitchen. The grill in pot with salad and some bread We've also added some potato salad on the sides, and I have got a potato salad video in the videos in my YouTube channel. If you want to know how to make a potato salad, it's right there somewhere. You can go and visit that video. So this is all that we've made for you today, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do enjoy it, please put your thumbs up to like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You're all invited for this beautiful iftar. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell right over here so that you don't miss out on contents when we post a new video. Thank you all so much for watching. Until we come on your way again soon. Goodbye.